You seriously need to see this. If you've been looking for the absolute best item online, this might just most satisfying is shockingly good at what it does. Everyone is talking about it lately because it looks sleek and fits perfectly into any modern setup. When you first try it out, you will instantly notice how reliable and sturdy it actually feels. It completely outclasses older models in the industry. The main benefit is that it works better than anything else in the market, which is why thousands of global shoppers have given it perfect ratings. You don't have to deal with cheap, low-quality alternatives anymore. This unit is truly engineered to last and delivers exactly what you need. Trust me, you do not want to miss out on this deal today without any delay. You seriously need to see this. If you've been looking for the absolute best item online, this might just most satisfying is shockingly good at what it does. Everyone is talking about it lately because